Can't decide between the JBL Tune 770NC and the Soundcore Q30? Let's break down which headphone is the right pick for you in just 90 seconds. First, the design. The JBL Tune 770NC boasts a sleek, foldable design with a more pronounced logo. The Soundcore Q30 offers a softer, more understated look with plush ear cups. Consider which style better suits your personal preference. Comfort is key. The Q30 generally wins in this department, offering deeper, more cushioned ear cups perfect for long listening sessions. The 770NC is still comfortable but might feel a bit tighter for some users. Next, noise cancellation. Both offer excellent noise cancellation for the price, but the Soundcore Q30 allows you to customize the noise cancellation levels via the Soundcore app, giving you a bit more control. The JBL Tune 770NC provides a more automatic, adaptive noise cancellation experience. Speaking of apps, both headphones have companion apps that let you tweak EQ settings. The JBL app is generally considered more user-friendly, while the Soundcore app provides more granular customization options. Battery life. The JBL Tune 770NC edges out the Soundcore Q30 with up to 70 hours of playtime with noise cancelling off. The Q30 provides a respectable 40 hours with noise cancelling activated. Sound quality is subjective. The JBL Tune 770NC tends to have a punchier bass response, while the Soundcore Q30 offers a more balanced sound signature. For calls, both perform adequately, though the Q30's microphone might be slightly clearer. Finally, price. The Soundcore Q30 is typically cheaper, offering incredible value. The JBL Tune 770NC is slightly pricier, reflecting its brand recognition and slightly longer battery life. So, which is best? If you prioritize customizable noise cancelling, comfort and budget, go with the Soundcore Q30. If you want sleek design, longer battery life, and punchier bass, the JBL Tune 770NC is a great choice. Your ears, your choice.